$26 head unit that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bought it on AliExpress, opened the box, pulled my original head unit that was a JVC CD, single DIN, pulled the bezel off, pulled the original radio off, disconnected it, reconnected the new ones, put the new head unit in the original bezel, and then reinstalled it in my dash. Tested out the touchscreen and Apple CarPlay because that's what I use, put the bezel back on, and this is what it looks like. It's fast, it's amazing, and it even comes with a backup camera. I got a link in the description.